Morning everyone, I am Adiba. Today our project is Library Management System under the guidance of Kavya ma'am and my teammates are Uma, Varin. So the contents are abstract, introduction, problem statement, objectives of problem, methodology and software and hardware specification. So coming to abstract, this project focuses on creating a computer-based system for managing library tasks. This proposed system will include features for book cataloging, member management, circulations like borrowing and returning, and also helps in generating the reports. The introduction part is a library management system is a software application designed to manage and automate the functions of a library. It helps in organizing, tracking and managing the library resources such as books, journals and multimedia materials. This system simplifies the process of checking in and out items, keeps track of borrowed items, manages users' account and handles fines for overdue items. Overall, it enhances the efficiency of library operations and provides a better experience for both librarians and users. Next part will be continued by my teammate Apurva.
Thank you, Eva. My name is Apurva and my part is a problem statement. Traditional librarians, they often rely on manual records like papers and books for managing books and data. This manual approaches leads to several problems. It is time consuming and difficulty in tracking and storing and error prone. It is inefficient member management. And object is to design and develop a database. Create a database, make a place to store information about books and users. And next is to implement the functionality to add, update, delete and view books records. Add allow people to manage book records easily. And next is to develop a user registration and system management. Help let people register and manage their login details. And next is to build a search feature. Help users find books quickly using the search box. And next is to track the availability of books. Check if books are available. Keep a track of which books are in or out. Thank you, and next part will be continued by another team with Varun.
The next part is methodology. In methodology, we have requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing and execution. Requirement analysis identifies basic needs like book entry, user management and book issue and return. System design the layout flow of the system like input and output. Next, implementation wrote code to perform tasks such as adding books, issuing and returning. Next, testing. In testing, we have checked each function to make sure it works correctly or fixed any errors. Next, we have execution. Run the complete system and ensure it meets all basic requirements. So next, we have ER diagram. In this ER diagram, we have entities like books, publisher and students. These entities have attributes like this book entity has attributes like price, available, book ID, book name and writer. And this entity publisher has many attributes like publisher ID, publisher name, publisher address, book ID. And next, student entity has many attributes like student ID, student name, issue date, return date and student address. Next, we will tell about the relationship. A single publisher can publish many books. Many books can be published by a single publisher. Next, we have student and book relationship. Many students can return or issue the books, and many books can be issued and returned by students. So the next part will be continued by Uma.
Thank you, Andy. I am going to explain about software and hardware specifications. Hardware is a physical component of the computer that we can touch. There we use a processor. It acts as the brain of the computer that processes all the data that we can give. There we use Intel i3 or above. RAM, it is a temporary storage system. For basic we need 8 GB of RAM and for advanced we need 16 GB of RAM. For storage at least we need 100 GB of free space or more. And the software, it is a fundamental component of the computer, and the operating system, it acts It's a fundamental for both hardware and the software. And we use Windows or Linux. There we use programming languages called Python, HTML or CSS. For storing the data, we use MySQL